Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app, then select the settings right here, and now just click on timer. And as you can see, you can pick 2, 5 or even 10 seconds. Let me choose, for example, 2 seconds. And also you can activate this feature, which is take 3 shots, and it will take 3 pictures in a row after the timer reaches 0. So we can activate it. Let me show you how it works. Now let me go back, and as you can see, it will be counted down. Second shot and the third one. This is it. Obviously you can switch it to 10 seconds if you want to, and we can also switch it off so only one picture will be taken. Let me show you. Let me click, and after 10 seconds one picture will be taken. And that's it. As you can see, this is it. If you would like to switch off timer, just go to the settings, select timer one more time and pick off. And actually that would be all. This is how you can activate and use timer in your Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.